Tugumana kurwa ase ebunge ya West Mugirango ime county ya Nyamira omujumbe bwe bunge yumusike wakil Steve Mogaka nigo anyakaga gwestokia na kumwachia serikali namono kamati ile budget ase okorigereria gose okonokie kerenga kyo kurusia chibese cyo gwakanira amatem ase budget yo mwako yiga boigo nigo musike wakil Steve Mogaka mochirie egati yabanyakonda abarekora chipara ime ye bunge yu asa ene kiribuna nigabande banyakaba kurusugororo na wayekoretwa abagochikonekia buna serikali gose bagochikare kimuna chipare chinkoro sikukire ebirengo bibwenerete gose bisaine
sitting in the region hapa kwetu Nyamira na kazi yake ni kuwa hujuma kwa barabara zetu. I want to thank government na engineer yo na inogetukukoruga iga, and we installed a new regional director yesterday. I want to apologize to the people of West Mugirango for the suffering we have been subjected through by a malicious government officer. Ujumbe ninaweka pesa kwa budget, hujuma pesa inalipwa na hatuna barabara. I want to thank God that that business has just now ended. Tigange nderogoro ekeroto kole budget yego chabuke emechibweke chibere chitigarite. I will confidently put money as Kiparachi West Mugirango, knowing that money will be seen on the road. No more inoria okwana korupet njino mwana mwalimu, and there is no way a budget yekore tubunge itabuati chibesa chiamatemwa ya abana ba Kenya. The budget it will not happen. And I know abantu getu ko treasury baarete tegete kibunge bakagetenga babunge toyo. We spotted that omission, whether it was deliberate or by error. We sent them back to factory setting. Mwa mwibuli tayo mwanoye aguchwa kana examination fee